The Axon F18 hearing aid is a cutting-edge device designed to provide users with enhanced hearing clarity and comfort. Here are some key features and benefits of the Axon F18. Discreet design. The Axon F18 is designed to be sleek and discreet, ensuring that it seamlessly integrates into the user's lifestyle without drawing attention. Comfortable fit. With a focus on comfort, the Axon F18 offers a snug fit, allowing users to wear it for extended periods without discomfort. Advanced technology. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, the Axon F18 utilizes adaptive features to automatically adjust to different sound environments, ensuring optimal sound quality in any situation. Customizable settings. Users can personalize their hearing experience with customizable settings, allowing them to tailor the device to their specific hearing needs and preferences. Long battery life. The Axon F18 comes with a long-lasting battery, providing users with extended usage without the need for frequent recharging. Enhanced communication. By improving hearing clarity, the Axon F18 enables users to engage more effectively in conversations and enjoy the sounds of their surroundings with confidence. Improved quality of life. For individuals with hearing loss, the Axon F18 can significantly enhance their quality of life by enabling them to reconnect with the world around them and participate fully in daily activities. Overall, the Axon F18 is a versatile and innovative hearing aid that offers users a superior hearing experience, empowering them to live life to the fullest.